have some great ideas of holiday crafts we can make with things we already have around the house. Come check it out. Come make a tree with me. It only takes one piece of paper and it stands up by itself.
Fold a rectangle of paper in half. Along the folded edge, draw lines 1 centimeter apart, cut towards the tree-shaped line, but not all the way up to the edge. When all the lines are cut, fold the strips of paper, alternating between front ways and back ways. And there you have it. Ta-da! Your single piece of paper Christmas tree is complete. I'm adding a star to mine, and I'm going to decorate it with some colors. I used the hole puncher to cut out some colorful circles and glued them on wherever they land. Happy crafting! Hi friends! Do you want to make a rocking Santa with me? Let's go! Start with a paper plate and fold it in half. Cut a large triangle out of red paper. We're going to glue that to the top of his head. Add some pink for his face, some black eyes, a little red nose, and then we're on to the cotton. Add some cotton balls to decorate his hat and his beard. Add a nice little smile in there. I realized his hat needed a pom-pom, so I added that, and ta-da! There we go, a sweet little rocking Santa. Happy crafting! Hi friends, let's craft! I started with a printable coloring sheet and traced it onto cardboard. Once I glued the sheet onto the cardboard and punched holes in the tops of the legs and the arms for the Nutcracker. Then I cut a paper straw into 4 little nubs. I glued the straw pieces onto his back where I wanted his arms and legs to pivot. I added a piece of string to the top of one of his arms and connected it to the top of his other arm. Then a second piece of string connecting the top of one of his legs to the top of his other leg. I then looped a string through his arm string and connected it through his leg string. And then I took this string and braided it. I added a bell to the bottom of the braid. Next, a little ribbon to hold him up, a dab of glue on the top of each of the straws, and then it's time to put his faceplate on. And ta-da! There you have it! An adorable, movable Nutcracker. Isn't that amazing?
Hi friends! Do you want to make a holiday Santa mask with me? Let's go! Ho 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 ho!
I'm painting a styrofoam ball red, and then I'm cutting out an eye hole in a paper plate. I'm cutting a loose, sideways triangle shape for his hat. Next, it's time to add the cotton balls to the trim of his hat and for his beard. Don't forget the pom-pom. Finally, I'll add his nose and a stick handle, and ta-da!
Ho 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 ho! Hi friends! Let's make our own custom holiday squishies!
We're going to start with a coloring sheet. Color it however you like and then cut it out. We're going to trace it onto construction paper. Put your drawing and the construction paper together, and then we're going to coat it with packing tape. Now leave about a 1 centimeter edge of packing tape around the outside of your drawing. Cut little slits in the tape so you can fold it around the back of the squishy. Tape all of the squishy, including 3 of the 4 sides. Leave the 4th side open so you can fill it. I filled my squishy with crumpled up paper towels. Once you have your paper towel in, it's time to seal up the last side of the squishy. And there you have it! Ta-da! Your own holiday squishies! Enjoy! Happy crafting!